Over the past few years, when I've been doing all this videography and stuff, I've been contemplating whether I should get this particular device or not. I've been using the iPhone for a while right now, so this just came recently to our mailbox. I didn't just get the GoPro Hero 9 Black unit itself, it came with a package on Shopee. So it comes with a lot of accessories. We have the silicone case, head strap, it's going to be on my head. There's this mini pouch as well. I'm not too sure if I'm going to use it though. Waterproof housing, so this is going to be really important if we do go snorkeling, you know, we don't dive, but one day when the pandemic is over. Adjustable chest strap. Not too sure if I'll use this very often, but if we do travel or if you want to do an action sporty kind of activity, then yes, this would be really useful for a POV shot. Okay, I also got the additional battery with a charger. There are other brands for batteries out there like the Telesin battery. Watched some reviews, mixed reactions, so we decided to just get the original GoPro battery with a charger. So I have two batteries together with the one that would come up soon. Floating stand, again, would be useful when we go snorkeling and so. Just in case you let go of this, it will float up into the surface of the ocean. Comes with a SD card as well, 64 gig, so that we can use it immediately. So this package comes with a protective screen as well, which I don't think I'll use, but thanks for the accessory. GoPro lanyard, the three-way stand. So this is kind of cool because it acts like a tree type of stand. It could be a tripod. Selfie stick. It's not too expensive because it doesn't have a GoPro label on it, but I'm sure it works the same as the original three-way pole. And ta-da! The GoPro Hero 9 Black. I'm gonna put this aside. Quick background to why we decided to finally get a GoPro at a time like this, right? We're not even traveling. The reason why we get this is because of our baby that's coming soon. I want to get a POV shot of her, and if I have the iPhone with me and it's always there, you know, I'll be holding the iPhone and it's just one hand free, so it's good to have this POV shot, whether it's from the chest or whether it's from the head. At least I have both hands free to interact with the baby or interact with Shane as well. So let's do a really quick unboxing of the GoPro Hero 9 Black. So you can see it's just this strip at the bottom of this box. We just need to tear it. The case. Oops. So in the box we have paperwork on the documents. Subscribe to GoPro, apparently they have this subscription package. Some manuals, and I think this is a sticker which is really cool. Questions about the products that, you know, normally don't even read it. Usbc cable for you to charge the camera. We have this, I'm not too sure, I know I watched a couple of videos. This shows how unfamiliar I am to GoPros, but I'll learn. Let me know in the comment section below what this is. We have the screw to screw the GoPro on, you know, mounts like this. One battery, but I got another battery as well and the charger. And this is the GoPro. A lot of reviews say that it's bulkier than the GoPro 7 and 8. I've not physically held a GoPro 7 or 8, so this still looks small to me compared to a iPhone. There's the on button over here, the mode button over here, then there's the... okay, this is the place where you put the battery and the SD card as well, and then when you close it back, just make sure it's locked. So they say this lens can be removed just in case you scratch it or you break it. Can't seem to open it, and I'm not too sure how that works, and I hope I don't break it even before I start using it. So anyway, I'm not going to touch it, so we're just going to use this as it is. So that's it guys for the unboxing video. We'll be using the GoPro more often moving forward. Stay tuned for it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, you know what to do. I'll see you in the next one.